Growth is good, but without the right structures in place, things can get a little out of control. You need a system your team can count on. And with Zapier's newest product features, it's easy to build, manage, and supervise mission-critical workflows without the chaos. Here's how you can unlock the power of automation securely and at scale. Let's start with the editor. Zapier empowers teams of all sizes, across all departments, to solve problems with automation. And it's easy for everyone to build workflows bigger and better as you go. You can set up Zaps faster than ever, reuse pieces you've already created, and shuffle them around. You can even copy steps across Zaps. So instead of spending time building and rebuilding the same Zaps, your team's building more complex workflows in fewer clicks. And when you're ready to share across teams, you can drag and drop Zaps to keep them organized. But it doesn't stop there. We know that organizations of all sizes rely on Zapier to keep their workflows running smoothly. And that's why we've added 3 features to keep your critical workflows online. Mistakes happen, so version rollback lets you recover and build off of old versions of your Zap, so you can fix workflows quickly. When certain processes stop working, they can make or break your business. Now you can customize error notifications per Zap, so you can solve critical issues before they snowball. And advanced settings lets you decide how you want certain Zaps to handle errors. You're in the driver's seat, so even if a Zap breaks, you have the tools to troubleshoot with confidence and get back to business as usual. And here's the best part. You can unleash automation across your entire organization and keep tabs on everything as you scale. Use the audit log to maintain oversight of everything your team is automating, and assign super admin roles so you can appoint trusted teammates to help maintain oversight, access, and keep your automations humming. There you have it, a suite of new features with endless possibilities to make automation work for you. Build confidently, scale securely, and collaborate quickly so your whole team can use automation to grow with confidence. Ready to get more out of Zapier? Talk to our sales team to find the right plan for your team.